Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to outline a picture on Photoshop. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first we need to go and choose the pen tool from here. And then here we need to make sure that this is on path. Okay, so here the thing is we need to put a point for plan or wherever the image was. We need to make a point such as these. We need to cover the whole image with these points. So let me do this and then back to you. Now once done, create a new layer and then go to brush tool and select the color here from the color panel. You can make it in white and then go back to the pen tool and right click here and select stroke path. Select the brush tool and then right click once again here and select delete path to delete the path. And here, as you can see, it's been done. And as you can see, that's how you can outline a picture in Photoshop. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.